In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the mini player on YouTube so you can keep watching videos while browsing other content. It's a simple feature, but super handy when you want to multitask. Let's jump right into it. First, make sure you're logged into your YouTube account and have a video playing. The mini player is great for keeping your video in a smaller window while you scroll through YouTube or check out other tabs. To enable the mini player, all you need to do is click the mini player button in the lower right corner of the video player. This button looks like a small rectangle with an arrow inside, and it's right next to the full screen icon. To enable the mini player, all you need to do is click the I button on the keyboard. Now, if you want to return to the full screen view, just click the restore button on the mini player, or click the mini player icon again, and your video will go back to the standard player. Another cool thing, if you minimize the window, you can drag it around the screen to position it wherever you like. So you can keep watching your video while doing other tasks in different parts of the screen. That's all there is to it. The mini player is an easy way to make your YouTube experience more flexible, letting you keep watching your videos while exploring other content. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tip helpful.